without helmets. The legislation would have repealed Missouri's helmet requirement for motorcycle riders who are at least 18 years old and have health insurance. In a letter to lawmakers, Parson wrote that he vetoed the wide-ranging bill because of an unrelated section that dealt with suspending driver's licenses because of failure to pay court fines. Missouri lawmakers have long tried to repeal the state's helmet requirement. The last time they succeeded was in 2009, but it was also vetoed by then-Governor Jay Nixon. Well, the way that juries are selected for trials in Missouri will undergo some changes starting next month. Governor Mike Parson signed a bill into law that will allow certain people to automatically opt out of jury duty if they please. Our Jesse Inman explains who this affects and how it will impact the jury selection process in Missouri.
For a jury trial in Missouri, anyone who is summoned to be part of the jury goes through a selection process. Potential jurors can give reasons why they wouldn't be able to serve. At that time, attorneys jostle to try and get who they want on the jury, and defense attorney Adam Woody says a new law allows some people to opt out completely.
What this law does is essentially skips that step and instead allows these people to be excused from jury service before even appearing, before even having to show up for service to go through the jury selection process.
Those who can now opt out of the jury selection process are health care providers, people that would endure extreme physical or financial hardship for serving on a jury, nursing mothers, and those 75 years and older.
I was called 4 times.
At age 72, Ruby McDarris has sat on a jury once, but her several times in the jury selection process opened her eyes to a lot of things.
There were some things that I wouldn't want to do that, but then I know that's how the law works. So I saw a lot of insight for myself doing it. I enjoyed it.
If McDarris is summoned when she turns 75, she can opt out if she chooses. Since the Constitution provides anyone on trial a jury of his or her peers, Woody thinks that this could be an issue if many people are opting out.
There are cases in which I would want a healthcare professional on the jury. There are cases which I may want an elderly person on the jury.
But just because people can opt out doesn't mean they will.
I would. I've retired for 5 years. I would be excited because it's a great experience to go through. It'd give me something to do, and I just love the process.